Hi 3T, how are you? I miss you guys very much. I hope you had a great long weekend, even though it was raining a lot. So I thought, since it was raining, I would do a video today. I had some time. And I couldn't find a video that I liked that we were talking about in math this week. So this is a little math video, hopefully not too long. Last week we talked about, we're on a unit called measurement, and last week we were talking about perimeter and area, and we were using the unit of measure with length. So we were talking about centimeters and meters and kilometers. Okay. This week we're going to talk about a different unit of measure. The unit of measure we're going to talk about this week has to deal with capacity, and that's the amount of liquid inside an object. Okay, so the amount of any type of liquid inside a container. All right, and we have to use that and we have to measure that in a different way other than units of length. So we're going to talk today about liters. And all I want you to understand is kind of what a liter is and get a really good benchmark for that. So you know if it's larger than a liter, we're going to measure it in liters. If it's smaller than a liter, we're going to measure it in something called milliliters. So like we did with millimeters, same thing, milliliters. So anything larger than a liter, still liters, anything smaller, milliliters, okay? So all we're going to talk about right now is liters. Something you probably or may have had in your fridge is maybe a container of chocolate milk. This container of chocolate milk has 1 liter in it. So from here to here inside is 1 liter of chocolate milk. Now, it's not really, in this case, I filled it with water so that we could demonstrate something. But in your house, if you have some in your fridge, it would have chocolate milk in it and it would have a liter of chocolate milk, okay? If I wanted to share this liter of chocolate milk with, if you had 4 children in your family, or mom or dad and 2 kids, or mom and 3 kids, and I wanted to pour 4 glasses of chocolate milk, I would have enough in this liter container to give everybody a glass of chocolate milk. So I've demonstrated that here for you very quickly, already filled them for you so you could see them, put some food coloring in there for you. So 4 glasses this size of chocolate milk, so regular size glasses of milk, would give you the same as 1 liter. Okay, so in another video we'll talk a little bit more about milliliters, but for today I just wanted you to understand that 4 glasses of just a regular glass you might have in your kitchen is equal to the same as 1 liter container. So sometimes containers are long and skinny, sometimes they're fatter and shorter. It doesn't matter, it just matters the amount of liquid in the container could be liters, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters. So just to get you an idea, you know that I drink smoothies almost every day, and I use my blender. In my blender, it has markings on it. That's our scale. And in the scale is 1 liter marked right here for me, and I know how much I'm drinking. So I don't drink 1 liter of a smoothie, but if I was measuring, I would see 1 liter as a marking right there. It's a very common benchmark or a marking on big containers like this. So if I wanted to estimate how much liquid this pitcher would hold, okay, kind of make a prediction in your head right now how much you think this would hold. I'm not going to fill it totally for time's sake today, but I am going to show you 1 liter of water, and if we pour it into the pitcher very carefully, that it is not full. Okay, so this pitcher holds more than 1 liter. And I've already done the test, and it fills about 2.5 actually, not quite 3 liters of water that this pitcher holds. Okay, so just to kind of get that idea in your head to visualize it, this is 1 liter. Okay, this is about 2.5 liters. So this would be our benchmark. Okay, a chocolate milk container this size, 1 liter. Anything larger than that is going to be more than 1 liter. All right, anything, so 1 glass would obviously be marked in milliliters, not liters, because it's smaller than a liter, okay? We're looking at some other things in your home that might be measured in liters, would be a vinegar bottle or container. This you might have in your kitchen or your laundry room. And this one is a 4-liter container or jug of vinegar. Okay, so there's 4 of these inside here. 4 liters inside here. Okay. In the next video I'll make, we're going to talk a little bit more about milliliters. But I just wanted to show you for today, this container, or this measuring cup holds maximum of 1/2 a liter. So 1/2 a liter would be half of this container, because this is a liter, right? Half of this would be what's in here, 1/2 a liter, okay? Which we'll talk a little bit more about exactly how many milliliters that is in our next video. All I want you to understand today is get a benchmark in your head, a visualization, a reference point for 1 liter, and then how much 1 liter is. That could be 4 glasses, okay? So if I wanted to do 2 liters, I would times this by 2 or double it. It should be 8 glasses, would give me 2 liters, right? This pitcher, more than a liter, about 2.5, and this one, 4 liters, quite a big jug there. And then we have our 1 liter container here. Okay, I'm going to give you, I think, 2 quizzes today to do on the liter. And all I want you to do is decide, would you measure it in liters or milliliters? Anything larger than a liter is measured in liters. Anything smaller than a liter is measured in milliliters. And we'll get more specific in the next video, probably Thursday. All right, good to see you guys, and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.